Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project, which is Artificial Intelligence in Finance, Coffee Commodity Trading Big Data for Informed Decision Making. So before getting into the execution, first let's understand what is the project about. When we say that coffee is one of the most consumed products globally, it highlights how important this commodity is to many economies and also the markets. For example, if we take countries like Vietnam, coffee is not just a beverage, but also a significant export product which plays a pivotal role in country's economy. Despite this importance, trading coffee can be quite risky due to the constant changes in price fluctuations and exchange rates, which are influenced by global market conditions. Now, because coffee is traded on such a large scale, an enormous amount of data is generated every day. This data holds valuable insights, but unless it's properly managed and analyzed, traders and investors can't make the best decisions. The problem with many current problems, that is, the problem with many current systems, is that they don't have the capability to store and process this data efficiently. They also lack real time analysis, which is crucial in fast moving countries like coffee trading. Without these capabilities, traders are at a disadvantage as they can't respond quickly to market changes or accurately predict future trends, increasing their risk. So, what are we going to do in this project is here we tackle the key challenges faced in coffee trading market by designing more efficient system for handling coffee commodity trading data. Right now, traders often struggle because the existing systems don't manage or analyze the data as effectively as needed. Our system will address this by collecting and processing large amount of coffee trading data in a way that allows for better real-time analysis. So the goal of the project is to use a predictive analytics to help traders anticipate market trends and make decisions that reduce risk given how volatile the coffee market can be with prices constantly fluctuating. Having a tool that can provide accurate predictions will be extremely beneficial. Essentially, the system will empower traders to make more informed and timely decisions by giving them the insights they need to navigate market uncertainly. So, to overcome all these challenges, the proposed system is designed to handle the vast amount of coffee trading data more efficiently by using the technologies like Spark with Hadoop. These tools allow the system to collect, store, and analyze large data sets quickly and effectively. On top of that, we have integrated advanced machine learning models and deep learning algorithms to make accurate predictions about future coffee prices. This is crucial because accurate predictions help traders and investors minimize their risk. And we measure the system's accuracy using metrics like RMSE and MSE. RMSE is root mean squared error, and MSE is mean squared error. So we are using these metrics to ensure that errors are as low as possible, making the model more reliable for price forecasting. Moving on, as an extension in this project, we are incorporating XGBoost algorithm, which is hyper-tuned, to improve the accuracy of coffee price predictions. By tuning the hyperparameters, we aim to reduce the error rate and enhance the model's performance compared to the initial algorithms. XGBoost it excels at handling imbalanced datasets, which makes it effective during fluctuating market conditions. This extension ensures that traders receive more reliable insights for better decision making even in volatile situations. So, moving on, in this project, we have used three different algorithms. These two, random forest and CNN, are the proposed models, and the XGBoost is the extension model. So we are using XGBoost to predict the coffee prices. And moreover, to implement this project, we need some basic requirements, which are hardware and software. So coming to hardware, we need operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, and hard disk of 25 GB and above. And coming to the software requirements, we need application of Python, ideally primary language Python. Framework uses Django, databases MySQL. Front-end languages are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. So this is all theoretical concept of the project. Now let's execute it. To execute, we need to open the code folder which contains source code files. So these are the source code files in the code folder of a project. Let's understand each of them. How will they be used in the project? So here in this coffee folder, we have Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project code during runtime. And in this app folder, it comprises of two subfolders. One is static and the other one is templates. And we also have some Python code files. So coming to static folder, it contains CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. And moving to the templates folder, in this folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more representing various sections of the website. And moving to the Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, which supports project's functionality. And coming to this model folder, inside this I have NumPy files which contain the algorithm information. This file will be loaded into the project code during runtime. And in this dataset folder, we have three different datasets. One is New York prices, buy contract, and sale contract, which are used to predict the coffee prices in the project. Get back. This is the manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with the Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, and applying migrations and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing this project through command line interface, we have created this run.bat file. So now we have to double click on this run server.bat file to execute the project. Here, if you observe, manage.py file is compiled. Now Django framework will host the application at the local host and the port. It will take bit time. So here, Django framework has hosted the web application at the local host and the port. So now we have to copy this local link provided by the Django framework and paste it in any web browser. So I'm copying the link. I prefer Google Chrome, so I will paste it in that. Paste the link here at the end, type index.html and click on enter. So this is the web page of the project. This is displayed in the browser and this is developed using Django framework. So now we have to sign up as the new user before logging in as user. So click on new user sign up here link. Give all the details. So let the username would be Kiran. Give his password. Give his contact number. Give his mail ID. Give his address. Click on submit. So we have entered a wrong phone number. Here, sign up process is completed and user can log in to perform the coffee price analysis activities. So now let's log in as a user Kiran. Click on that. Give the username. Click on login. So user Kiran has logged in successfully. This is his dashboard where he can upload the data set and he can perform all the activities. Now let's upload the data set using the Spark, which is big data technology. So click on ETL Spark dataset. Click on choose file to upload the data set. We have to upload the New York prices dataset. Now click on open and now click on submit. So this is the dataset which is uploaded and this is the date column. This is the coffee quality, which is coffee grade, and this is the price of the coffee bean. So now let's see the trend of the buying behavior of people. So click on buying analysis. So this graph represents buying behavior graph of different stock companies. So here on x-axis, we have month, year, and on y-axis, we have the coffee buying rate. Here, different color represents different companies. So blue color represent com, orange represent index, green represent ncom, and red represent NREP. If you observe the blue color one, which is com, is having the highest buying stock. I mean, they are buying the highest coffee stock. Now let's see the sales trend of coffee. So click on sale analysis. So this is the coffee sales behavior. On x-axis we have month and year, and on y-axis we have coffee sales. Here also all the colors represent all the different companies. Among all the companies, NREP is having the highest sales and COM is having the least sales. Now let's do the price prediction. Before that, we have to train the machine learning and deep learning models. So click on train ML and DL. So here, all the machine learning algorithms have been trained. So here we have trained random forest, which is the proposed model, and also the CNN, which is a deep learning model. It also has been trained. And we also have trained this XGBoost, which is our extension. And these are the error metrics using which we have evaluated all these three models. Among all the models evaluated, we can observe that XGBoost is having the least error rate. So that is why here we have the model performance as the best model. And here on x-axis we have number of test samples, and on y-axis we have coffee price prediction. This represents the coffee price forecasting by the XGBoost model. Green color represents the future price and red color represents the original price. If we observe both the future price and the original price, they are colliding with each other, which means that the model is predicting well of the coffee prices. So this is all about the training model. Now let's predict the coffee prices. So click on predict prices. Here we can choose the date to predict the coffee price of that date, and here we need to choose the grade of the coffee. So now let's choose the date. Click on this. Now let's predict price for the 30th October, grade 2. Now click on submit. So future price predicted as 106.96. So this would be the price for the October 30. Now let's try using the different date. No. Before that, we'll select the same date but the different grade of coffee bean. So let's select 3. Now click on submit. So here future coffee price is predicted as 108.56. Now let's select some other date. Let's select 2026, 25, and select the Jan month, second date. Let grade be 2 only. Now click on submit. So this is the future price predicted as 129.4 for the 2025 Jan 1st. Now for the same date, we'll select the other grade of coffee. So click on 3, click on submit. So here, future coffee price is predicted as 110.749. Let's search with some other dates. Let's try for November of 2024, 21st November. Select the grade of coffee, coffee bean grade. Click on submit. So it has predicted as 116.39. So on the date 21st November 2024, the coffee price would be of 116.39. Now click on logout. In this way, project enhances coffee commodity trading by developing a big data warehouse that utilizes advanced technologies for efficient data management and accurate predictions. So by integrating this predictive analytics with the XGBoost algorithm, the system provides traders with the reliable insights to make informed decisions, ultimately minimizing risks and optimizing trading strategies in a dynamic market. So this is all about the project.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.